Cat here, everybody, and Queen the Rabbit. Welcome back. So, we are on level 5 of World 3. So, we're doing Pipeline Lagoon, which we're going to do this underwater. Wow, it's so beautiful. We have to do this underwater. Yep, we did it before. We did? Well, it was a different level, but some levels have underwater, some of them don't, but it's still fun. Anyways, okay, sorry about the star coin, because that was an accident. But, you mean the green star? Oh yeah, the green star. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I got that by accident. Supposed to do it one by one, but I made a mistake, but it's okay. We all make mistakes. But anyways, since I have the second green star, let's get the first one and the third one. Okay, so oh, and you got a stamp. Yeah, that. Anyways, let's focus on the green stars. Okay. There's that purple pufferfish. So you guys see that. Oh, the water rises up. Yep. Okay, we got the first green star. Now let's go get the third one. Ooh, I see a pirate ship. Oh wow, it looks abandoned. I can imagine myself if I see a mermaid. A mermaid? Yeah. Have fish have women? Huh? Huh? It's so... I hope the mermaid seems a little nice. She was friendly. Oh my god, Queen. We're not talking about mermaids, okay? If you want to watch mermaids, you can watch The Little Mermaid. You know, Princess Ariel. She wanted to go up to the surface. Yeah, but her dad told her it's too dangerous. Yeah. Okay. Back to this level. Woo! Okay. Put it down. There's more pufferfish. Yep, there's more. There's something up there. Ooh, a pipe. It's going up and up and up. That brings us to here. Got it. Now water. Bingo. Okay, now let's go back. It's very hard to go back because I don't have my cat costume or anything, but I always have my new key for now, which I'm not using. So, okay, let's go down to the pipe. And there you have it. And down. Yeah! And you did it. Alright, so we did it. So let's get some more lives. Yeah, right there. Alright. Come on. Bam. Bam. Yes! Oh, so many coins. I got 2 ups. Yes! Well, you did a good job. Thank you. So did you. Alright, so this is level 5 is done. Level 4 is done. Yeah. Alright guys, so we will do this one very soon. I'll do that very soon. Then we'll do. Oh, let me get to that. We'll do this one very soon. When I get to the mushroom, but it's okay. Anyways, that's it for now. Yep, that's it for now. And we'll let you guys know of what you think of this level. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you very soon. Okay, like and subscribe.